Sehwag will be hoping that his faster bowlers to begin with and later his spinners maintain the form that they displayed towards the end of the day. Athar Ali Khan talked about application. That's exactly what these two guys walking out to the middle need to remember. Let's head across to the man himself, Athar Ali Khan. Alongside him is Lakshman Sivaramakrishnan.
We're hoping that the sun will dry out the moisture, whatever there is on the pitch. Two slips in the gully for Sharma. Runs straight away. Ahmed Mishra at point. Puts in the dive. And they will pick up two. Off the outside edge. It'll be four. Nobody at third man. But it was a genuine edge and a good delivery from Ishant Sharma.
You know exactly where your off stump is.
That's an absolute beauty. Edge. VVS Lakshman got a hand to it, but did that carry? He will pick up two. Ashraful gets off the mark. It's 67 for 3. Oh, looking to play away from the body. It's dangerous, but survives. VVS Lakshman normally very safe in the slips. Held the edge. Good delivery. Playing with soft hands, but the ball still carried to VVS Lakshman, who's late in getting down. These catches need to be taken.
Mohammad Ashraful also playing inside the line and presenting that outside part of his bat more to that delivery. That's one of the reasons why he got that edge.
Another edge. Doesn't carry this time. So Indian bowlers finding the edge. Not caring to Dravid at first slip.
On both occasions, he's tried to play a defensive stroke, just pushing the bat away from his body. Mohammad Ashraful on that occasion. And once again, the edge. Luckily falling quite short in front of Rahul Dravid.
This one coming in. Good delivery again, the short one first up.
Normally he's moving his feet really nicely early in innings. He decks under that one, but just look at his feet position. Just onto the front foot and just ducks in. After Bangladesh appointed a new captain, he's just once again gone. Good catch, good delivery, and Mohammad Ashraful is gone.
Also, what Zair Khan did earlier, it was a short delivery first up from Ishant Sharma. That rattled Mohammad Ashraful, and the next one was a follow-up terrific delivery. Bang on a length, no movement of the feet, thick edge, and a good catch by Rahul Dravid. Not easy when it's travelling to your left-hand side. So India pick up their first wicket this morning. Shakib Al Hasan, just 22 years of age, average of 29.79, but he's a far better player than that. Again, welcome to the centre.
I think that's how they have planned to set up the batsman. First the short one, and then look at that, no feet movement, very good catch onto his left, and is still going.
Through the infield, hit on the up by Shakib Al Hasan. He's a positive player. 4 more. In fact, gets off the mark with that boundary.
Yeah, we talked about shot selection. You've got to be perfect on every occasion. Once again, Shakib Al Hasan playing that quite nicely.
Goes for the drive. Srishant after that. The ball's travelling too quickly for anybody. Superb shot from the Bangladeshi captain.
It's a lovely shot from Captain Shakib Al Hasan. Beautifully done. Didn't want it to hit it too hard. Just made sure that he presented the full face of the bat. And finds himself.
Again after that. No holding back. A little bit of width was offered. And Shakib Al Hasan has decided he'll take the attack to the opposition.
Once again dealing in boundaries. This time off the back foot and cracks it away to the point or third man region. Nothing wrong in that if it comes off, but to my liking.
That's blazed away. The men in the ring on the offside were just spectators. That has whistled to the boundary in a hurry. These are superb shots already executed.
Had good balance to swing the bat. A little bit of assistance for the bowlers this morning. That's natural because we've had all this fog and mist.
In the air, taken. Virendra Sehwag just timing that jump to perfection. Again looking to hit on the up. There was movement for Zaheer on this occasion. And Virendra Sehwag making no mistake. This is a body blow to Bangladesh. They've lost their captain. Extra bounce, a hint of movement. And Sehwag jumping just at the right time to get the ball in two hands. So two important wickets have fallen this morning. First Ashraful. And now the Bangladesh captain, after looking good, after striking 4 boundaries, he has to depart for 17. It's 89 for 5 and drinks being called for. Now 89 for 5.
Most definitely the top order batsmen have squandered what the bowlers have done. Short while ago, the Bangladesh captain, Shakib, slashing at it. Slashing hard, and a very good catch by Sehwag because it went very quickly. It was travelling, but he got himself up, got his hands up.
Much better length again. Gives himself so much more chance of getting wickets. I think the way he's bowling, he could well have another slip. Get the man out from cover, get him into a third slip position. Thickish outside edge. This will race away to the boundary. The field is up. So 93 for 5 Bangladesh. He'll take the boundary. Now spin being introduced for the first time. Just missing leg, one would have thought. It pitched and skidded through.
A nicely flighted delivery. Certainly did skid through. He thought it'll hit the stumps. Umpire thinks no.
Has driven handsomely, over pitched and put away to the boundary.